Miss Annalee from the Ashland branch of the Pamunkey Regional Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make some origami claws. Let's get started. Okay, to start with, you have a single piece of just copy paper. You're going to take one corner and fold it to meet the opposite end so that it's straight, makes a straight corner here. Okay, then we're going to take this corner and fold it up here to meet over here. All right, I'm going to take each of these corners, and while we're doing this, if I'm going too fast for you, you can always stop the video and then continue when you're caught up. Okay, so both corners are folded down. Then we're going to take this and fold that all the way up to the triangle there. All right. Then we're going to take and fold this just like that. But we're not going to leave it there. We're just folding it to get the midpoint. And we're going to unfold it. Here's my midpoint. And if you can see my midpoint, then I'm going to take this and fold it up here like this. Okay, it's just like that. And then I'm going to fold it over. Okay, so we're just like that. Then I'm going to take this side and fold it over. Okay, then right here, see there's a little pocket here? I'm going to fold that into that pocket. Then right here, there's an opening. You stick your finger in the opening and you have your claw. So now, I have to tell you, this is sharp. So you got to be careful and don't go after other people because we don't want to hurt anybody else with our claws. Okay, so I hope you have a good time with your origami claws.